Good morning children. Today let's see the comparison of fractions. Okay, fractions already have learned what is like fraction and what is unlike fraction. Suppose if it is there 3 by 7, 5 by 7, this both they have the same denominator. Here also 7, here also 7. Since they have the same denominator, so they are called like fraction. They are called like fraction. Okay, suppose if there is like this 7 by 11 and 12 by 13. Now if you see, this both are having different denominators, so they are called unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Okay, so now you know what is like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay, so in comparing the fractions, if they are like fraction, it is easy to compare. You can find which is the smaller one, which is the bigger one, and you can do the ascending and descending order. That way you can do many things. Okay, if you have the like fraction. Okay, so let's see now how to do. Now look at these two fractions, 4 by 15 and 9 by 15. In this both you see the denominator is same, so they are like fraction. So to compare and find which is bigger, since the denominator is same, so you will compare the numerator. So in this numerator 4 and 9, these both are the numerator. So which is bigger? 9 is bigger. 9 is bigger, 4 is smaller. Okay, so since 9 is bigger, so 9 by 15, this fraction is the bigger fraction. Okay, so this is a big fraction, this is a small fraction. Okay, if the denominator is same, then you will compare the numerator, and in the numerator which is big, that is the bigger fraction. Okay, so now see, unit fraction and some other types also same unit fraction, same type of unit fraction. Unit fraction means 1 should be there in the numerator. So now 1 by 6 and 1 by 8. So these two are now unit fraction. Why it is unit means in the numerator there is 1 is there. Okay, so in this type of fraction, suppose if the numerator is same, here the denominator is same, here the numerator is same, so there is a difference. Okay, don't think both are the same. So if the numerator is same, then you will compare the denominator. So in the denominator which is smaller, that is a big. Okay, so here the denominator is 6 and 8. This is the denominator. So in this which is smaller, 6 is smaller. 6 is smaller and 8 is bigger. So I had explained you which is smaller, that fraction is the bigger fraction. Which denominator is smaller, that fraction is the bigger fraction. Okay, so here the 6 is smaller, so this is the bigger fraction. Okay, so this is big and this is small. Okay, when I am comparing alone the denominator, you see the symbol, how I have written. When it comes in fraction, okay, so this is the bigger. Okay, see that I will explain once again. If the denominator is same, then you will compare the numerator. So in the numerator which is the bigger numerator, that is a bigger fraction. Okay, it is just opposite. If the numerator is same, then you will compare the denominator. In the denominator which is having the smaller denominator, that is a big fraction. Okay, I think you have understood. So you can see and you can do the in the exercise also some of the questions are asked. So be careful and answer carefully. Here I have written 5 fraction and you can see all the denominator is same, so they are like fraction. So here you have to write the big fraction, which is the bigger one. So bigger fraction. So bigger one is, which one is the bigger? So if the denominator is same, then you will compare the numerator, and the numerator which is bigger, that is the big. Okay, so here the bigger numerator is 21. So this is the bigger fraction. So 21 by 25 is the big fraction and the small fraction. So from here you have to find the small fraction. So small fraction means which is having the smaller numerator, that is a small fraction. So this is having the smaller numerator. One is smaller than all these numerator. So 1 by 25 is the small fraction. See, now let's write in ascending order this one. Ascending order means small to big. You have to write the small fraction first. Okay, so you will compare the smaller numerator. So first is 1 by 25. So now bigger than 1. Next one is 8. So 8 by 25. Now bigger than 8, 9. So 9 by 25. Bigger than 9, 17. So 17 by 25. And 17 bigger than 17, 21. So 21 by 25. So this is ascending order. So next write the descending order. So descending order is big to small. Okay, so from here you have to write bigger one is 21 by 25. Then next one is 17, smaller. Now smaller than 17, 9. So 9 by 25. Smaller than 9, 8. 8 by 25, smaller than 8, 1 is there, 1 by 25. Now you see here the numerator is the same and the denominator is different. Okay, so here you have to find now the bigger fraction. Okay, so to find the big one, if the numerator is same, then you will compare the denominator. In the denominator, which is the smaller, which is having the smaller denominator, that is a bigger one. Okay, so here the smaller denominator is 13. That means this is the bigger fraction. So the bigger fraction is 11 by 33. Again, small fraction. So small fraction means which is having a bigger denominator, that is the small fraction. Okay, so here the bigger denominator is 50. So 11 by 50 is a bigger fraction. Okay, let's write in ascending order. Ascending order, small to big. So here small means bigger one is the smaller one. Okay, so bigger one is 50. This is a smaller one. So 11 by 50. So smaller than 50, 45. So 11 by 45. Again smaller than 45, 33. So 11 by 33. Smaller than 33, 27. So 11 by 27. Smaller than 27, 13. So it is 11 by 13. Okay, now descending order. Descending order is from big to small. So in bigger one, which is having a smaller denominator, that is a bigger one. So smaller denominator is 13. So that is a bigger fraction. Okay, now bigger than 13. Next is 27. Bigger than 27, 33. 11 by 33. Bigger than 33, 45. 11 by 45. Bigger than 45, 50. So it is 11 by 50. So this is the way we arrange in ascending and descending order. In your book, the numerator same may not be given in ascending and descending order, but I will ask in the exam. So don't think that since it is not given in the book, I may not ask. Don't think that. It is, you must know. It is there in your mental maths book. I don't know whether you have got mental maths. So it's there. So I will be asking in the exam. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, here Omila had 4 by 5 of a pizza and Romy had 2 by 3. Who had more? So who had more? So if it is asked more, you have to find, it is not asked how much, it is asked who. So who means only any one of the person's name will come. Okay, so you have to compare and find who had more. This is from exercise I am explaining. So first you have to write the statement also. So how you can write means fraction of pizza Omila had. Solution, fraction of pizza Omila had equal to 4 by 5, Romy had equal to 2 by 3. So you have to compare now 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Listen here the denominator also is different, numerator also is different. Okay, so when both are different, you cannot compare. So what you have to do, you have to change them into like fraction. So like fraction you can find it in two ways. One is finding LCM, then other way you can do the cross multiplication. Okay, now I am teaching you cross multiplication. So in your book also it is given cross multiplication. LCM also it is given, but LCM will be if they are not, both are not having a common factor easily, then only you will do the cross multiplication. But if they both have the common factor, then you can multiply and you can find the LCM. Okay, so now I am doing the cross multiplication. For this I have not given a separate sum, but I am given from the exercise. See here, cross multiplication means by this 4, by this denominator you have to multiply this fraction, and by this denominator you have to multiply this fraction. Okay, so that means how you will do means 4 by 5. So this denominator, okay, by this denominator you have to multiply this fraction. So when you multiply the denominator, then you have to multiply the numerator also, then only the value will not be changed. Okay, and here this fraction. Okay, so let's write this answer. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Okay, now do the next one. Now 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3, this one you have to multiply by this denominator. This fraction you multiply by this denominator, and this fraction you have to multiply by this denominator. Okay, so by 5 you will multiply. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now you can find this, both the denominators are same. So now we have got 12 by 15 and 10 by 15. Okay, now both the denominator is same. Since both the denominator is same, then you can compare the numerator. So in this numerator, which is bigger? 12 is bigger. So this is the bigger one. Okay, now you cannot write this 12 by 15 is bigger. Okay, so you have to write the original fraction only. So for 12 by 15, which is the fraction? 4 by 5. Okay, so you have to write 4 by 5 bigger than 12 by 15. So who had 4 by 15? Omila had 4 by 15. Okay, so you have to take and write the answer. Hence, Omila had more. Hence, Omila had more pizza. Omila had more pizza. Okay, this is the way you have to do the answer. You have to do the problem with the statement. Without statement you will not write. Okay, one more I will give from my own. Here the denominator is different, numerator is different. So if both the numerator and denominator means different, means how to do? Okay, how to do the cross multiplication I told. By this denominator you will multiply this fraction, and by this denominator you will multiply this fraction. Okay, so 5 by 7 multiplied by this denominator. So this denominator is 11. So by 11 you will multiply. 5 11s are 55, 7 11s are 77. Okay, now we have to take this fraction 2 by 11. So this fraction you have to multiply by this denominator 7. So when you multiply the numerator, then you have to multiply the denominator also, then only the value will not be changed. 2 7s are 14, 11 7s are 77. Okay, now we have got the fraction 55 by 77 and 14 by 77. So now we have got both same denominator, so we have changed them into like fraction. So now you will compare the numerator. So in this numerator 55 and 14, 55 is bigger. So 55 by 77 is the bigger fraction. But you cannot write like this. You have to use the original fraction. So last you have to write 5 by 7 is greater than 2 by 11. This is the way you have to complete. You cannot complete with this. Okay, this is not the original fraction. You have to complete the answer with the original fraction. Okay, this is the way you have to complete the answer. Okay, thank you. Do the exercise 1.4.